Good day to all. Today, I will be discussing about the 5 common problems that I have encountered with my cucumber plant. I will be discussing some solutions to these problems, and hopefully it can help you growing your cucumber well. First off is insect bite. As you can see here in my cucumber fruit, there's an insect bite. This happens before wrapping up the fruit, and it leaves a permanent damage to my fruit, as you can see here. Although not perfect, my solution for this is just spray it with organic pesticide after it is pollinated to avoid insects from biting this fruit or the fruits of your vegetable. Next one is the leaf miner. Cucumber leaves is very favorite food for leaf miner. As you can see here, they bloom very well. Although not fatal to my plant, it's just so disgusting to look. Spraying it with organic pesticides once a week will reduce the number of leaf miner that goes to my plant. The third one is deformation. So as you can see, although it is related to insect bite, the deformation becomes so fatal that it hinders the fruit to grow, as you can see here. So mostly they tend to be permanent, and as the fruit grows, they deform and eventually stop growing. So like this one, it bends a lot that it didn't have a chance to grow. The solution for this is just like the first one, continue to monitor and just spray it with organic fertilizer. It's better to spray it just before the fruit is pollinated to prevent the insects from biting it. Next is the unpollinated fruits. So to know or to identify that it is unpollinated fruit is they become hard and the color will become yellowish, and the only solution for this if you want 100% pollinated fruits is to hand pollinate it. Last but not the least is those insects like caterpillar and other bugs that loves to eat the tip of my cucumber stems or vines. So this one is okay, but I have another one that that is damaged or permanently damaged by the insect. Okay. Here you can see the tip of this plant or these leaves is damaged, and it will hinder the growth of this cucumber. So constantly monitoring and spraying is the only solution for this. So if you go to organic way, you will really expect to have these problems with your vegetables. As you can see, organic pesticides is not really that effective than the commercial one, but they tend to be effective somehow, but not that much. But anyway, it's really part of going to organic, and hopefully you will not be discouraged with these problems as I have faced. This cucumber in front of you bears about 10 fruits now, and we have eaten it well, and I think it still continue growing even though it is severely damaged by those pests. So hopefully you will have time to plant this wonderful vegetable, and I would love to hear your stories about your cucumber plant. So let me know about anything or any solutions in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and help this grow. Thank you. See you in the next video.